Thank you, everyone. Thank you, IMD, for having me. So, just in case some of you missed some things which Dr. Yogesh Parekh said, uh, we are the Indian Academy of Pediatrics. We are a body of all the pediatricians of the country, चाहे वो PGI में है, चाहे वो private practice में है, चाहे वो town में है, city में, everywhere. More than 45,000 pediatricians are currently the members of this organization, and soon it will be 50,000, which will be a world record for any organization. So, with that, I would just like to share two different, slightly different points of view here, which I personally have got. One is that IAMD and IAP and any similar advocacy groups, not anything which is working in chronic diseases, we have to work together. Because as Dr. Parekh also clearly pointed out, हमें ये जो आज आप पढ़ा रहे हैं, इसमें से कुछ भी नहीं आता. And we are all very learned pediatricians. I must tell you, we pride ourselves कि हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, सीखते हैं. We have digital IAP platforms. We have every week we have a meeting. We talk about so many things. But this is way beyond, our current pay grade. So we need pediatricians to know about this. Because, and this is coming to my first point, when a child with muscular dystrophy comes to me, as a pediatrician, what do I tell them? I tell them, आपके बच्चे को मस्कुलर डिस्ट्रोफी है, इसका कोई इलाज नहीं है, ये प्रोग्रेसिव है, आपके बच्चे का लिमिटेड लाइफ स्पैन है, मैं इसके लिए कुछ स्पेसिफिक नहीं कर सकता. This is, unfortunately, this is what 90% of us do, and I was also doing the same thing before I became engaged with IAMD. ठीक है? Now the problem is, my job is over here, but parents का job अभी शुरू हुआ है. And that is where the role of advocacy groups is. Because all of you know what parents go through when this kind of a diagnosis is given to them in PGI, by me, in private practice, or by anybody. There are multiple things which happen. Depression, feeling bad, hiding the child away, saying ki isko to, there's some sort of a curse. And then finally going to quacks, spending thousands and lakhs of rupees. और इसके अंदर डॉक्टर कहीं इन्वॉल्व नहीं हो रहा. डॉक्टर इज नथिंग टू डू विद एनी ऑफ दिस. Having a patient advocacy group, from the morning we have been discussing all the good things that an advocacy group can do. But I think the most important thing is being a role model. When people come here, they look at Sanjana Goyal, they look at Vipul Goyal, they look at all the cases that we have talked about. और शाम को भी और 5 cases की बात करने वाले हैं, patient stories. They realize they are not alone. And this is not a life sentence. You can have a good, productive, healthy life, even with muscular dystrophy. Eventually, everybody has to die. It doesn't matter कौन है, मैं भी मरूंगा, आप भी मरेंगे, everybody will die. But you can have a productive life. And as somebody told me, you can be the member of the family who earns the most. The person with muscular dystrophy, यहाँ पे there are hundreds of examples of this. So as a pediatrician, ये awareness मेरे अंदर कहाँ से आएगी? This has to be taught to me, and advocacy groups must work with IAP, and IAP also must work with different advocacy groups. तो हमारी जो national meetings है, हमारी जो zonal conferences है, वहाँ पे छोटा सा stall होना चाहिए non-profit groups का. That is what I would recommend. Meetings, talks होनी चाहिए, virtual meeting होनी चाहिए, वगैरह वगैरह. One part. Only one more point left. Totally different. हमारा WhatsApp groups में discussion होता है. There was a case, सर गुजरात के ग्रुप में था, in fact, if I'm not wrong. एक बच्चा है 5 साल का. जब वो 2 महीने का था या 6 महीने का था, उसके ब्लड टेस्ट हुए, उसका लिवर एंजाइम्स AST, ALT, जो लिवर एंजाइम्स है, SGOT, SGPT 200-300 आए. नॉर्मल इज सपोज टू बी लेस देन 40-50. पीडियाट्रिशियन ने बोला कुछ नहीं होता, थोड़ी देर बाद देखेंगे. 1 साल के ऊपर किया, OTPT, फिर 200-300. बाकी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बच्चे की ग्रोथ नॉर्मल है, बच्चे का बाकी जॉन्डिस नहीं है, बच्चे का लिवर बिल्कुल ठीक है, बच्चे का कोई लिवर पैल्पेबल नहीं है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अभी पेरेंट्स पढ़े लिखे थे, दे सेड नहीं नहीं हम लिवर स्पेशलिस्ट के पास जाएंगे, लिवर का एंजाइम है. चले गए, उसने और टेस्ट किए, कुछ नहीं आया. उसने जेनेटिक मार्कर्स किए, कुछ नहीं आया। उसने सारे के सारे सिंड्रोमिक डायग्नोसिस, जीनोमिक सीक्वेंस जो हम बात कर रहे हैं, बोला वो करेंगे हम। बच्चा बड़ा होता गया, उन्होंने बोला चलो थोड़ा वेट कर लेते हैं। बच्चा इज ग्रोइंग वेल, वेट ठीक है, हाइट ठीक है, एंजाइम सिर्फ बढ़े हुए हैं, बाकी कुछ लिवर डिजीज नहीं है। सो at 5 years, after having been seen by all kinds of specialists in a good city, one of the pediatricians picked up something, a clinical sign. Can you guess what it was? The clue is we are sitting in a muscular dystrophy conference. The child had difficulty in standing. The child had muscular dystrophy. And that was the reason his AST and ALT were elevated. So SGOT, SGPT, liver disease के beyond भी elevate हो सकता है because of muscle damage. 5 साल तक पिकअप नहीं हुआ. And this is what Dr. Yogesh Parekh का presentation में था. We need to know these things about muscular dystrophy so that हम बच्चों के इतने टेस्ट ना करें और उसको जल्दी से जल्दी पिकअप करें. So this is a wonderful place where we are interacting, we are learning so much. I wish and I would insist that IIMD must do these kind of things more than जो अभी हो रहे हैं. It should be an annual affair and we should also have meetings with प्रॉपर स्टेक होल्डर्स. एक सिर्फ पीडियाट्रिशियन की कॉन्फ्रेंस करें, एक सिर्फ न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट की कॉन्फ्रेंस करें और एक सारे के सारे बाकी लोगों के करें. थैंक यू, दैट्स ऑल.